didn't get.
Hi.
What?
He's asking.
Oh, what do you want to do?
Wait, baby, smoker.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Wait, baby.
Who's let's keep on kicking out fires actually? Who keeps it?
Francis, mind spotting me a med kit? Francis, health kit? Francis, mind spotting me a med kit? Let's get the hell out of here.
So are we gonna play another game after this, Hughes?
Oh, hell.
No, guys, press up so I don't want to get kicked out.
Nothing here. Nothing in here.
Hey, thanks, guys. Thanks for not kicking me out.
It's over here. Who, me?
Watch out! Hunter's got Lewis!
Hey, man, that's not cool. Knock it off, Lewis. Duck it! Good one.
Oh, all talk's the best.
What up, bro?
What's up,
everyone?
Yeah. Talk dirty.
My ears are already
Just
bleeding.
call me a crow. I know.
What?
She speaks my language.
This is hilarious.
No, 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 no!
Can I pretend you're a girl? Is that okay? Okay.
Yeah, because you actually do sound like a girl, not lying.
Weapons over here!
I'm dying.
Alright, what's the plan? What's the plan, team? Yeah. Like what, cauliflower? Or...
Alright. Oh my god.
Oh, there's a witch, there's a witch! Hold on, there's a witch, get on her. Get on the witch, get on the witch.
Come on, Stiffy.
No, don't get on the witch.
Ducky!
Oh, we got this. Come on, come on.
Come
Oh,
on.
Rex!
Oh
Oh
my
my goodness, who did that? Who did that?
Bruh. Alright.
Did you see that, Hughes? See
Yeah,
what
where's
we
that
just did?
witch at?
See, I was keeping Stiffy off the Jackie. Stiffy.
I already started it.
Oh, and the witch! Oh my god, it's over for him. Should we give him another restart, or what do you think?
No restart. Look at our
How many
lead.
restarts do you think they'll need?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, get him! Yeah! Yeah, get him! Get him!
Get me up. Oh my god.
Go die on him! Die on him! Don't let him pick him up! Run on top! Run on top of him! Scratch him! Scratch him! Get him!
Scotch him to death.
Okay, alright. Phew.
God.
That's right.
Wait, how did Zoe die?
Duh!
Because I wasn't paid.
This looks dangerous. Oh no, oh no.
Everyone the spring simple. We're the ultimate champion.
Chicken.
Everyone press F1.
I'm the only one who pressed
F1.
that too.
Yeah, just press
What?
Press F1. Yeah, you'll win the game.
Oh, I thought like turn off all chats. That's why. So that's why I pressed F2. That was one. That's why. Okay, done. Okay, done. Hey, who made the lights go out? Actually not. I forgot it. Alright. Speed run it! Speed run it! Speed run it! Speed run it!
Oh, come back, come back! Don't leave us!
Oh,
Don't leave us!
What is that zombie
Sorry.
doing to him?
Sorry, son. Coming guys, coming guys. I know, I went in the wrong way. Yeah, speeding it was not a good idea what I did.
Watch my back.
Don't use my kid. Don't use my. You're right. Okay. Damn it. Hey, move it. Move it. Stick together. We're the last ones alive. Francis is dead. Somehow I don't care. Hey. Alright, now help me up. You traitor! Oh. No, I didn't see it because I got... No, I didn't... Listen. Yeah. No, I really couldn't see it because it got vomit on me. Yay! Yay! It's the finale. It's the finale. That's why I'm saying yay.
Bing bong ting tong.
I didn't have to tell you.
Ever. Ooh, bing bong ting tong.
Okay, sit.
I regret my
What is
decision.
your channel? Okay. Since you have a channel, what's your channel's name? Since you have a channel. Hey.
Ting tong, bing bong. Ting tong.
Yeah, he's dead for some reason.
Help!
So what's the videos they're gonna be called? No wait, what's the videos they're gonna be called? Why is that scream? Shit. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Heads up!
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, same as well. Had to get stitches moving today. No, I got my stitches already removed. No, you picked me shit. Oh my god, I said I so moved to that and I gave up. Woohoo! Someone calm down this kid. This guy's screaming for no reason. That's what started the thing, like. It didn't that you have
I'm down.
It didn't that you didn't have a heart attack or something. Are you getting like, scared of something? Are you? If I was recording a video, I would just put random kids screaming at home. What is the channel's name actually? Because I want to set up right now on my own phone. Test Squirrel?
Nice job.
Look out.
My Test Squirrel. Test. Okay, write in the chat. Write in the chat. Write in the chat because I'm trying to memory loss. Press K minus K. I don't know the it's K minus. No, the other K. The on top. Oh my god. Okay, it's the. Okay, so what? Oh my. Okay.
Incoming! Reloading!
What the hell?
Man.
Wait, why did you poke the control? No, don't kick me out.
Don't worry, I got you. No, don't worry, don't freak out. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm just giving you as a friend.
Huh, me? Sure, I got you. Yeah, no problem. You're my girl.
Is there a pipe
You're
bomb
my
over
girl.
there?
You're my girl.
There's pipe bombs everywhere.
I don't know.
I'm not a
Yes.
girl. But
How old are you
I'm not a
guys?
I'm not a girl. I'm actually a boy. I'm actually a boy, not a
five?
girl actually.
How are you? I don't
Damn it, I'm
believe
2 years old. I'm 2 years younger than you. I'm 9.
You're 9? How are you guys playing this game right now?
My lord.
That was probably playing this game.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, my Cheerios.
I wasn't actually all my Cheerios. Oh my god. Let's do. I just messed that I got stitches in one. Now you're talking about diabetes and cancer. My goodness gracious.
What?
Come on, die
I have
already.
500 packs.
No, no!
Reloading!
I'm not sure. I'm suggesting yes because like, who does not like chocolate bars? Oh my fuck. It's the thing, like, oh my god. I say like, I got my stitches moved today, and then like you come up this, I have diabetes or the stuff, really. What? Oh my god, dude. Okay.
Guys,
Wait.
chill out for a second.
Why is
Is
this
it
so
channel
funny?
comedy?
Weapons over here!
No! Yeah, we're not gonna win this one. I don't know why. Because like I'm holding the seat.
Nah, you'll win.
I'm holding C the whole time. Holding C, speaking and speaking. Hey, Chewy, this side I can't attack that well, cause I'm holding C the whole time. Oh my god.
I bet you
perfect.
don't hold the talk button.
Perfect jockey. Yeah, now I'm doing hold the talk button, which is a little annoying. Oh my fucking god.
Neo LOG in there.
Baloney.
I stop.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
I didn't break my elbow. I can forget it because like
What is this?
Yes! Yes! Alright, now it's time to die. Prepare you. Oh my. Out of it.
Oh, nice dodge. Get him. Get him.
What the hell are you doing, Francis? Reloading!
Oh my god! Why did I ever stop playing this game? Why? This. No, cause oh god, stop them like don't get into the stop them from getting to the chopper. So I think that's side stop. Wait for the bullets come now. You can see me there, like saying like escape. Like the boomer is a jockey. I swear to God, if we don't win this, I'm totally done.
You have a beautiful voice.
You already lost.
If we don't win this, I'll back.
Don't listen. No. We can still win. We can still win. We can still win.
No, if we don't win this, I'll break a bone. I will
lying.
break a bone if we don't win this.
You'll break a bone?
That would shook him. Oh my God. Nah, this joke, I'm actually not gonna break a bone. I don't want to go back to the hospital. Oh my God.
He said, what's a hospital?
Why you shot the...
Hey, Rage, why are you on the enemy team, bro?
No, wait, this kid like acts like he doesn't know the stuff, and like he actually knows it. So don't even. Alright, guys, no, wait up, wait up, wait up. Okay, wait.
We
There's
got
gonna be
thrown out.
smoke. Jockey.
That doesn't look right.
Ha 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 ha! I don't know what I'm doing at all, my wife.
I hear the pilot. There's the landing pad.
Oh yeah, who keeps up on these boats? Because these boats are starting to become annoying, actually. Oh my god, these boats are actually.
Any rep, right?
No, cause I speak too fast. That's why. Jesus Christ.
Fire in the hole!
Hey.
Down! I'm
Hey.
Help, please!
Come in. Oh no, to burn to death.
First aid here.
No! Help me! Hey, go help Zoe. Go help Zoe, cause
I need some help.
I thought you were a hose for sure.
help the YouTuber.
Help!
See, you said you're recording and you have a channel, so that's why I'm gonna call you YouTuber.
Guys, I need some help.
Oh, because like, yeah, that exactly.
Help!
Since you said you have a channel and you recorded a video.
You look like shit. But I think I can get you back up on your
Oh my God!
Thanks. I don't feel so hot.
Stop with these roads already!
I'm down.
Oh my goodness!
Over here, I could use a hand. Nicely played, sir. Help!
Oh, yeah.
pilot will be happy to hear from us.
Oh yeah, I'm back. I'm back, baby.
Okay, so someone told him, cause like I'm too lazy and all that, right? I'm lazy. Someone told him.
Fire in the hole.
What? Who's doing this?
This is going to hell in a handbasket real fast.
I don't know. Such it up, kid. Okay, so I have to stop changing names, sorry. Who's a jockey? Dog went to the side. Oh yeah, who is it? Okay, alright, Jimmy. Alright, we won this. I don't know. Wait, I actually don't know. Is he? I don't know.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Chicken. Oh my God. Someone said so you can stop bothering me for the rest of my life.
Wow, dude, I can't believe you guys killed us.
I'm not a good explanation. I'm not good.
Alright, if you want to know how to type in chat, I'll tell you. Listen, if
I'm
you,
not good
you
at
want to know how to
explaining
type in
things.
chat.
Oh no, God. Oh.
Alright, okay,
Yeah.
press the escape button and then go all the way down to exit to menu. But you have to press yes, not no, because like then it'll
Yeah,
mess
and
it up.
yes, and then you can chat, and then like it'll be fun. No, just no. He's just joking. He's like wanting you to leave. That's why.
Never mind. Grab my hand.
Really? Thanks.
Okay, so I'll help you. Alright, first you go off a cliff, then you open the chat, alright? Go off a cliff, alright?
That was pure comedy gold.
Duck and cover!
Oh my God, he did it.
What type of scream was that?
Oh man.
Oh, jump off a cliff and go and kill yourself. I was joking. Now you're not doing it.
Watch where you shoot.
I was.
I called the chopper.
Come pick me up, Scott. Come pick me up. Oh no! Oh no!
Shut work.
Nice.
Hey, at least I killed that little kid. No! Find the dude that's changing names. Help us. Alright, goodbye, Batman. Sorry, this has to be with the movies. The Batman dies first. Oh my goodness gracious, this press! Press the arrow to it, the minus is whatever. Press like the button that's next to the cube. Right, to the left of the cube.
Oh my god.
The stupidest kid I ever saw in my life. No! No! Ah!
Can you guys kick the hacker? For a vote to kick the hacker.
Oh, wait, who's this guy that keeps switching names? Like, he's phoned the chat with nothing.
I don't know who I'm kicking though. I'm kicking myself. Oh shit. GG.
No, don't kick him out. I'm pressing F2. I'm pressing F2. Pressing F2. Why does he take my name? Come on!
Hit Boone's kid, or Garbo. Even
Well,
with
who's this guy? Who's this guy that he keeps on taking names? Should we kick him out or should we keep him?
Kick him. Vote to kick him.
Just go on YouTube
Press
then.
Y.
That's it. Just go on YouTube. Search up
Press
how to
Y.
use a chat and rap for that too. Just use it. Just go on YouTube.
Press Y. Press Y. Oh, that
Oh yeah. Wait, this guy is changing his name to the hacker. He's a
No.
hacker.